Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Alaskan reindeer sausage isn't just food, it's a true taste of the last frontier. This unique sausage holds a special place in Alaskan cooking. It's known for its distinct flavor and how often it appears on local menus. We'll explore what makes this sausage so popular, from its history to its many uses in the kitchen. You'll learn why it has become a cherished part of Alaskan meals. The journey of reindeer in Alaska. Reindeer hold a special place in Alaska's story. Their presence profoundly shaped the lives of communities and contributed to the unique culinary traditions we see today, like Alaskan reindeer sausage. This isn't just about a food source, it's about a rich history of adaptation, survival, and economic growth in a challenging northern environment. Learning about their past helps us understand their significance now. Reindeer's arrival and early impact. Reindeer were not always native to all parts of Alaska. They were introduced in the late 19th century, brought from Siberia. The goal was to provide a stable food source and economic opportunity for native Alaskan communities. This introduction proved to be a real lifeline. Initially, the United States government and missionaries led these efforts. They saw reindeer as a way to boost local economies. Reindeer offered meat, hides, and transportation. They prevented famine. Traditional hunting resources were sometimes scarce. They promoted self-sufficiency. Communities could manage their own herds. This proved to be a significant change for many indigenous groups. People learned new skills related to herding and animal management. Historical significance to indigenous communities. For Alaska's indigenous peoples, reindeer quickly became more than just livestock. They became integral to their way of life. Many communities adopted reindeer herding, which blended with their traditional knowledge of the land and animals. Reindeer offered a reliable source of various necessities. These included nourishing food, providing essential protein and fat, especially during long winters. Warm clothing, as their hides made durable coats, boots, and shelter. Transportation, as reindeer were harnessed for pulling sleds across vast, snowy landscapes. This connection strengthened cultural practices and traditions. It created a sustainable economic alternative that supported communities for generations. Reindeer's role in Alaska's economy today. Today, reindeer continue to play a part in Alaska's economy. While the scale of herding has changed over time, it remains a valuable industry, especially in more remote areas. Reindeer farming supports family incomes and local businesses. Their economic contribution is multifaceted. It includes meat production. Reindeer meat is lean and flavorful, favored by many. Antler sales are used in crafts and traditional medicines. Tourism includes operations that offer educational experiences or photo opportunities. The demand for specialty products, like reindeer sausage, keeps this industry alive. It connects consumers to Alaska's natural resources and heritage. Each bite of sausage tells a story of this long journey, from Siberian plains to Alaskan plates. From pasture to plate, how reindeer sausage is made. Making Alaskan reindeer sausage involves carefully preparing this distinct meat. The process focuses on enhancing its natural characteristics. From the moment the reindeer meat is sourced to the final curing, each step contributes to the sausage's unique flavor and texture. It's truly a craft that turns simple ingredients into a cherished regional staple. Flavor profile of Alaskan reindeer sausage. Alaskan reindeer sausage stands out with its unique taste. It offers a flavor that is both recognizable and truly distinct. Many describe it as leaner than beef or pork sausages. It also has a slightly gamier quality than conventional meats, but not overwhelmingly so. Instead, it presents a rich and savory profile that is quite flavorful. You might notice a subtle sweetness balanced by earthy undertones. This comes from the reindeer's natural diet and environment. Beyond the basic flavor, common variations add exciting twists. Some sausages might have a smoky taste. Others could lean towards more robust or even slightly spicy notes. Each variation offers a slightly different experience, keeping things interesting for your palate. Common spices and seasonings. The distinct taste of Alaskan reindeer sausage also comes from the spices and seasonings used. These ingredients are chosen to complement the meat's natural flavors. They enhance, rather than overpower, its unique profile. Typically, sausage makers use a blend of common spices. These often include juniper berries, which add a piney, slightly peppery note that pairs well with game meats. Sage provides an earthy, slightly minty flavor that enhances the savory qualities. Various peppers, like black pepper, white pepper, or even a touch of cayenne, can add warmth and a subtle kick. Other ingredients sometimes appear. These might include garlic, onion powder, or coriander. The exact blend changes between recipes or producers. However, the goal remains the same. To create a harmonious blend that highlights the rich, lean qualities of reindeer meat. These spices don't just add flavor, they help preserve the sausage and contribute to its appealing aroma. Culinary uses and recipe ideas for reindeer sausage. Alaskan reindeer sausage is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Its unique flavor profile makes it a fantastic addition to many dishes. You can easily incorporate it into your cooking, bringing a touch of the last frontier to your table. Let's look at some exciting ways to use this special sausage. Classic Alaskan breakfast with reindeer sausage. Imagine starting your day with the rich, savory taste of reindeer sausage. It's a breakfast staple in Alaska. You can easily make your morning meal memorable with this ingredient. Here are some tasty ideas. Breakfast burritos. Crumble cooked reindeer sausage into your scrambled eggs. Add cheese, potatoes, and your favorite salsa for a hearty burrito. Scrambles and hash. Mix diced reindeer sausage with onions, peppers, and potatoes for a flavorful breakfast hash or scramble. It's a satisfying way to fuel up. Alongside pancakes or eggs. Simply fry a few links and serve them next to a stack of fluffy pancakes or sunny side-up eggs. The savory sausage balances the sweet or classic breakfast flavors. Reindeer sausage and hearty main courses. Reindeer sausage isn't just for breakfast. It shines in dinner dishes too. Its robust flavor stands up well in various hearty meals. Think about adding a gourmet touch to your next family dinner. Consider these delicious main course applications. Stews and chilies. Slice or crumble reindeer sausage and add it to your favorite beef stew or chili recipe. It deepens the flavor and makes the dish more substantial. Pasta dishes. Brown the sausage and mix it with a rich tomato sauce for a unique pasta dish. It pairs wonderfully with penne or spaghetti. Gourmet pizza topping. Slice cooked reindeer sausage thinly and scatter it over your pizza before baking. It adds a wonderfully savory, lean meat topping. Alaskan-style hot dogs. Grill or pan-fry a reindeer sausage link and serve it in a bun. Top it with grilled onions and a special sauce, classic Alaskan style. That's a look at the history, flavor, and cultural significance of Alaskan reindeer sausage. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.